You are watching Itella, your 24-hour news channel. Donald Trump has announced the onset of a nuclear world war, citing controversial and unclear reasons. The situation is dire, and there is a widespread belief that survival is unlikely. Television channels are now limited to broadcasting only government-approved programs. The list of programs available includes W W1 French program, W8 News English program, Touché pas à mon poste French program, Touché pas à mon poste translated into English. W17 joins W8 language unspecified. ITL News English program, ITL FR News French program.
It's 7:27 and you're watching Day with It's a Great Idea. So news here is a complete tour of the news in 17 minutes, top time, and in the front page tonight. That's it. It's the end of this edition. We'll meet again tomorrow, same channel, same time at 8:30 p.m. Until then, it's time for Music Tonight and for the Nouvelle Star Final. No need to wish you an excellent evening. It will necessarily be on D8.